Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hey guys, so it is Monday morning and we're in front of Mia's school. Today is Mia's Christmas party. Mimi, bring your face, let them see. So outfit of the day, green, touch of red and white on the cap. So yes, Agween. Let me see the face. Agween. Okay, so guys, let's go in. Today is the last day of anything school until after New Year. So yeah, Mimi, are you excited? Mimi, are you excited?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
You're happy? Let's go in, guys. This way. Aha. Good morning. Good morning.
You need to listen to China. Okay, people should stay here today, and you'll stay. So that level of networking, and that's one of the skills we're bringing into place. We know that over time, the whole idea behind education is go to school, get a degree, look for a job. But what we're planning to build is, we're trying to have leaders in our midst. We're trying to have people that can take charge of situations and stand and be exceptional. It's not going to happen in one day. It's going to take a while. But all we know is that we're going to make this come true. We are committed to making sure that we give the best of practice. Our teachers are doing everything humanly possible and even godly possible. Interestingly, we pray for our parents. We pray for all of you. We pray that God will protect the people, that God will prosper whatever you lay hands upon. Let it prosper.
Amen.
Because that's the reason why we're here. Take out this parent, they won't be here and we won't be here, right? We try to put out calls, hey, you're not here, we want you to be around. That's because we regard all of you people. You people are not just customers. We are a big family. Because whatever affects Michelle, Abubakar, affects me as a person. It affects all of you.
What's happening? Oh no. All right, man, let's go. Two.
I want to just play
Congratulations. It's a round of applause for her.
Is that what Christmas is all about? No. It's not about wearing new shoes, looking good. No. Christmas is about somebody. Can anyone tell me the name of that person?
Mimi. Mia. Mimi. Please sing me. Three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves. Mimi, come on. Mimi. Come on, Mimi. Yay!
You have to get that one. Try.
Yay!
Yellow.
Mary. You see the star? They're looking for the star. Look at the star. I can see it.
Good day, parents. I have a presentation to make. I'm going to spell Christmas for us. Happy Christmas. Tamara.
Yay!
Okay. Mimi. Shout it.
Yes!
That's one.
He's like,
They don't want to bust it. They're like, no. Don't help me. The ground. It's better on the ground.
This is where we know how balloon is.
Your mommy has said it again that she will not be. When you make it bigger, it goes faster.
Mimi. Hi, Mama.
Mother. Oh my goodness.
He's laughing at his mom. He's laughing at his mom. Me a Ruth. His dance.
Oh, come let us adore him. Oh, come let us adore him. Oh, come let us adore him. Christ. Oh, come my faithful. Oh, come my faithful. Oh, come my faithful to Bethlehem. Oh, come my faithful. Oh, come my faithful. Oh, come my faithful to Bethlehem. Christmas.
guys, good morning. So that was Mia's Christmas party a few days ago. We had a blast, guys. Like, no cap, we had a lot of fun. Even as parents, we enjoyed. My child is here. We enjoyed, as in, we enjoyed it. It was so much fun. Like, I'm so happy that you have come now. You have come. Why do you want to give me my cat key to eat? By the way, I'm in my parents' place, just in case you're wondering, a change of environment a little bit. But yeah, we had so much fun, right, Mama? Yeah. We had so much fun at the party. I'm so glad that we changed Mia's school from where she was to where she is right now. Let me talk now. She's a lot happier at this school. She looks forward to going to school. She doesn't even want to come back home when you go and pick her from school. Like, all the parents there only had good things to say. They gave a segment to parents to like air their opinions, you know, about the school since the school started running 3 months ago, but everybody had only good things to say, and that's how you know a school is doing amazingly well. I love how they pay attention to the kids' health, because where Mia was before, she was always falling sick. Like, every month Mia would take antibiotics like 3-4 times in a month. I'm not even exaggerating, okay? So since we put her in this school 3 months ago, she has not fallen sick for 1 day, and I mean 1 day. I'm just treating her for cough and cold now because the weather in Abuja drastically changed. Everybody is down with flu-like symptoms, so obviously she couldn't have escaped that. But yeah, I'm just really excited for her progress in the school. The last 3 months have been amazing. Like, she has progressed so much. You guys have been saying since that Mia has become so vocal, aside of course getting older, but still I can say that the school contributed immensely in that. She's a lot more vocal, you know, she's a lot more expressive, and you know, stop. So we are all just so happy. All of the parents are so happy. You know, it's very, very dicey and tricky when a new school opens and you're among the first parents to enroll your child there, because you don't know what to expect. But they haven't disappointed us so far. Everybody is so glad, and they went all out for this Christmas party, guys. Like, they didn't even ask parents to contribute any money at all. This proprietress went all out to throw an amazing party. There was food, there was chops, there was a Christmas cake. I think one of the teachers was the Father Christmas, and they still paid a visit to the Santa Claus. They still gave them gifts. They still gave the parents like these really good quality umbrellas as gifts. Like, everything was really on point. There was drinks. Like, no, they really tried. We had a blast. Honestly, we had so much fun. So no school for this madam again until after New Year, I suppose. And your mother is not looking forward to that, because you, my darling, are a handful. You 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 are a handful. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. See this one. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Say comment. Comment. Say thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Hey, God, wow, energy on point. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Say bye. Bye. Let me kiss. Mwah. Bye.